In this video, I'll be sharing with you what it takes to grow on YouTube in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or been on YouTube for a while now, this video is for you. We're going to cover the mindset that it takes to keep pushing through the hard times and my start to finish YouTube framework. Before we get into this video though, drop a comment down below and let the community know your 2025 YouTube goals so we can all hold you accountable. Don't sell yourself short though, because this is your year to shine. Now, without waiting any longer, let's get into this video. Welcome to the mindset section, everyone. For me, I found this to be extremely important, and that's why I want to throw this in this video for you guys. YouTube is hard, like really hard. And it's hard to hit your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours to monetize. And I'm grateful that I finally hit that. And on my channel, that's why I put out these videos, is to kind of make this process a little bit more streamlined for you, so you guys can grow your channels a little bit easier and learn from some of my mistakes. In the beginning, yes, you're gonna see all these big YouTubers and you're gonna compare yourself to them, but don't do that. Just remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint, and it takes a lot of videos to get good at this. One of the things that I found that works best is working in a way of not necessarily improving by videos, but by months. Get to a point where you get comfortable watching your videos and that you're willing to share your channel with family and friends. And that's when you know you're really starting to improve with your channel. Yes, you see these YouTubers with millions of subscribers flaunting this crazy lifestyle and all that, but behind that is a lot of hard work and commitment and learning. Here's something to keep in mind. Your first 25 videos, I'm sure it's gonna be a lot more than 25, 50, 100. They're gonna suck, and you're not even gonna wanna look at them. I've literally sent videos when I had editors that were so bad that I was hoping they could clean it up with editing. And that's why I say, just try to get to a point where you get comfortable watching your own videos. Behind these videos, there's a lot of takes. It's not just shooting the video and it's good to go. No, it's take after take after take, trying to get a video to the point that we even like it before we put it out there. I'm currently reading this book, The YouTube Formula. This book is phenomenal. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below. There's no affiliate to it or anything. I'm not getting any commission. This is how much I believe in this book. I've watched hundreds and hundreds of hours of YouTube videos trying to dissect things, trying to find the right way to do things, just so I can help you guys out so we can all experience this life of freedom. Spend time with our loved ones, not have to worry about how much something costs. I'm telling you, read this book. It'll be down in the description below. If you've read it before, leave a comment down there. Let me know what your thoughts are on it, because I'm halfway through it and this book is life-changing. It's actually cleared up a lot of the things that I was unsure about. But with the mindset, just remember, we're playing the long game here. Don't compare yourself to others. Just work on getting better and get to a point that you feel comfortable watching your own videos. And I hope this section helps. All right, guys, welcome to my start to finish YouTube framework that I currently use. And I hope this helps you guys out a lot here. What I do, as you can see, is I have it broken down into 5 parts. Part 1 is the most important part. In this, we're gonna come up with our video idea. And don't rush this. What we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna find somebody similar in our niche that has a video that's still going viral from about 6 months ago. And then once we find that video, from there, we're gonna come up with our title and our thumbnail. So let me find one of my competitors. Here's a good one. We'll use Think Media. These guys are killing it in my niche. So let's see what they have. So we're not gonna copy their video or anything, but we're just looking for inspiration. So these are kind of fairly new. In this channel, as you can see, they have 3 million subscribers. So anything they post is pretty much to the point where it's going to go pretty viral. So let's look a little farther back to kind of see what's still trending right now. 71 views per hour on that one. Let's see what else we got. 2 views per hour. Here we go. Here's a good one right here. So this is how to edit a YouTube video in DaVinci Resolve, start to finish. And as you can see, this one was posted 8 months ago. It's got 196,000 views. So I am running some extensions. I have TubeBuddy and vidIQ on mine. And if you don't have them downloaded, they're super amazing. They'll actually show you things like this, how many views per hour they're getting, and actually how it's performing compared to other videos similar to this. So this one's doing really well. So we could do a video similar to this. Like I said, we're not copying what they did, but we're going to do it something similar. Seeing that this one, was posted 8 months ago and it's still doing pretty good. So now that we have our idea, let's go back over to the Google Doc. So for our title, we're going to want to come up with a title. And as I brought up before, this book right here, The YouTube Formula by Daryl Eves, super amazing. One of the things that he recommends is the title. You want to keep it 60 characters or less. Why? Because the human eye is attracted to shorter titles. For the longest time, I would have longer titles. So this is actually something I'm implementing now with my videos. As you can see, starting with this video on, I'm going to start keeping mine all under 60 characters or less. And you could use ChatGPT. It's a great resource. Have it come up with 10 to 20 different title ideas for you similar to that, and see what it comes up with. And from there, we're going to work on our thumbnail. Thumbnails, if you're going to be doing it yourself, highly recommend Canva. They do have a free subscription that you can use, costs nothing. There is a pro which is paid for, but the free is perfect. It'll have everything you need. If you didn't want to do it yourself, you could be using Fiverr. Just hire a freelancer on there, and you can pay, 5, 10, 20 bucks, and they'll come up with some thumbnails for you. And then from there, once we have our video idea, our title, and our thumbnail, we're going to be working on our hook. And once we get them to click on the video, the hook is very important. And one thing I do recommend, I've tried different hooks, and my most viral videos, the one that always works the best is just the promise of the title and thumbnail. Usually every video that I post, the most viral ones are always in this video, I'm going to be showing you, or things like that, and it's going to be referring back to what they clicked on. Don't stress too much about the hook. You could always use something like that, and for me, it's been proven to work. And now, when it comes to scripting, I've tried different ways. I've tried bullets. I've tried writing out the whole script and everything. The problem is, unless you have a teleprompter, if you're writing out the whole script, it becomes hard, and you're going to be shooting a lot of takes trying to do it. I like bullets. I I started breaking down my videos into different sections. In each section, I'll have a good hook in there. The hook is for the section, letting them know the section they're in, kind of hook them in. And then from there, we're going to go into the topic or what that little section is. And also want to incorporate in your scripting all the B-rolls. So when you're scripting out your video, you can include what you want to do for B-roll ideas and kind of highlight those into the script. And next you have your outro. So this is the end of the video. Don't be like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I used to do things like this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. That's kind of like the old way of doing it. The way that works best is when you have somebody that actually watched your video all the way to the end, try to bring them into your next video or playlist. Something similar to, if you like this video, make sure to check out this video here where I show you a little bit more in depth of how to do this. Or if you like this video, check out this playlist here, kind of thing. Those seem to work good. They'll keep the viewer engaged with your content and get you more watch hours and help more with your monetization, where you'll hit your 4,000 watch hours. And if they continue to keep liking their videos, they'll subscribe to your channel. And then part 3, we have filming. Don't get too tied up in this. You can definitely do this on a budget. That's why I have it on here for you guys. Check this out. I almost have 1,500 subscribers and I'm still using this. This is my camera. I made a pact with myself that I'm not even buying a camera until I start making enough money from YouTube to pay for a good camera. With your lighting, you could actually just use, a window, natural lighting from a window. You don't need a key light or anything. Even with a microphone, you can buy microphones. You can buy some pretty cheap on Amazon. You really don't have to. In the beginning, just get comfortable getting on the camera. You will need a tripod though, but don't stress too much about it. At least get some content out there. Get comfortable filming content, reshooting, different scenes and stuff. I wouldn't get too tied up with it in the beginning, needing all this expensive gear or anything. Definitely do it on a budget. And then after you shot it, you have some options here. You can edit the video yourself. If you have a Mac, you could actually use iMovie, great editor, super beginner friendly, but editing does take a lot of time. So if you're working a full-time job, you could actually hire a video editor on Fiverr. There was one I was using, I was paying $40 per video. So it's actually pretty cheap. But if you don't have the funding in the beginning, just do it yourself, iMovie, keep it kind of simple. And as the videos go on, try different things with the editing. And I noticed even with my videos, if I get too crazy, it seems like those videos don't do too good with the crazy editing. So I've kind of scaled back a little bit and kind of kept mine a little bit more simpler. But definitely if you have a MacBook, iMovie is a great tool to use. And then last is don't forget to respond to comments. You're building a community here, whether it's a business, a personal brand, whatever you're doing here, you're building a community. The algorithm sees that too. When people are commenting on your videos and you're commenting back, you actually have an engagement, and the algorithm will push your video out to more people because that's what YouTube wants. They want to keep people on their platform. They see people like your videos and they're going to, promote your video a little bit more because of that. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. And this little framework right here, if you want to snap a photo of it, this is what I use. And this is a good framework right here. I've tried many different things, but this right here will get you monetized. And don't forget consistency. Consistency is key. If you're not consistent, when you post a video or a short, you'll see some views come in. But then if you're not consistent, you'll see it drop back down again. And then you post another video a month later, you'll see it go up a little, then drop down. But when you stay consistent, it's going to keep going up, and you're going to notice your videos are going to start getting more views. YouTube's going to give it more traction. So just be consistent with it. And that's my YouTube start to finish framework. Hope this helped you guys out a lot. And there you have it, guys. That is starting a YouTube channel in 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video where we went over the mindset that it takes and my step-by-step framework that I currently use. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys click on this playlist right here where I actually have the tutorials that'll show you how to start the YouTube channel and answer some of the questions that you might have along the way. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.